You know what sucks? Trying to figure out what video to post next. I used to spend an entire day every single week brainstorming content ideas, and that wasn't sustainable. But now I built a content machine with Poppy AI and it completely changed the game for me. I spent like 10 minutes to generate viral content ideas and write scripts that actually sound like me. And what's crazy is my engagement has doubled while spending less time making content. I'm talking about saving hours every single week. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how to build this content machine step by step. No fluff, just actionable steps that you can take today. So let's dive into my computer and I will show you how it works. So we have two different chatbots. The chatbot here above is to generate ideas. And as you can see, if we open this up bigger, I've generated like 30 content ideas, and these are actually pretty good and are proven to work, because I'm going to show you how it works in a second. And then the chatbot here below is to actually write the scripts. So it knows how to write good scripts and what the structure are. So we have the hook, the build-up value, main point, and then a call to action in the end. And the script is actually really good, and it sounds exactly like me. So essentially how it works is you want to bring in some of your content. And this is so the AI knows exactly how you talk, what your content is about, and it can actually tailor ideas specifically to you and create scripts that sound like you. And then we have inspiration above here, and this is to give context to the AI chatbot what you actually want to create content about, and already proven videos and topics that are proven to go viral, so we don't have to think about viral ideas from scratch. So you can go to YouTube, you just copy the link, paste it in here. You can go to Instagram, TikTok, or even like articles. So I brought in a bunch of viral ideas, videos that already went viral on YouTube, and then articles that I feel like is very good, and yeah, they match my niche. And based on that, it basically takes ideas from these videos and ideas that match my brand, which is pretty cool. And then once we have the idea, then we want to script the video. I have a document here of 100 viral scripts that I have done myself. So it's this document right here. Then I have the viral script framework, which I've developed, and we have it here. So we give context what a viral script actually is gonna include. So I'm gonna leave these down below so you can go and download these. And also I have added in some storytelling videos about storytelling. You can add whatever you want the AI to actually do. I also added in like how to craft good hooks, so the AI knows. And now based on this, I've told the chatbot to make a script based on the educational content here about one of these ideas. So I take one of the ideas, bring it in here, and then the AI scripts the video for me. And yeah, so without further ado, let's actually build this out so you understand more in detail how it works and how to actually build this. So first you need to get actually Poppy AI. I've left the link down below, and yes, full disclaimer, it is a affiliate link, but I wouldn't be promoting this if I wasn't using it daily. I literally can't live without Poppy AI. And if you use the code Robin, you actually get $25 off your order. So the link is down below, and get Poppy AI. Once you have Poppy AI, then it should look something like this. You have a bunch of different boards. These are all of my boards. This will be empty once you get Poppy AI, but you want to create a new board. And once you create a new board, it looks something like this. The first thing we want to do is we want to bring up a new chatbot, and we're actually going to add two in here because one is for ideas and one is for scripts. I like to use two different chatbots. It just keeps everything organized. Then we want to add 3 groups. So we take the group from the side here, and add these groups in here. And this is also to organize everything better so we understand what's going on here. Then we can name the first group inspiration, and the second group we're gonna name my content, and then the third group I'm gonna name education. And then what you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you post content. But these needs to be videos if you want to create, of course, like video content. So let's grab one of my YouTube videos like this and just paste it in here like this. And you do this for about like 6 different videos. So I would recommend getting some short form content and also some long form content. And it should look something like this once you got all of your content in here. And then what we want to do is bring in some inspiration and some content that has already been proven to work on Instagram, TikTok or YouTube, or even like articles or documents to help the AI generate some ideas in your niche. So essentially all you do is you go to YouTube, you can look at your For You page, or you can search for keywords. So for example, content creation, we look here and we look for videos that has already been proven to work. So this has 400k views, this is pretty good. So we can just open this video, grab the link, and then paste it in here in Poppy AI. So copy and paste, and it's transcribing this video, which is pretty cool. And once you have all of your inspiration, it should look something like this. I added 2 articles and then 4 YouTube videos. So now we want to train the AI. The first thing I'm going to do is actually bring in this document of 100 viral hooks that the AI can choose from. And I'm also going to bring in the viral script framework and then some YouTube videos to actually script a good video and about storytelling and so on. You can bring in whatever you want to actually train the AI to do a specific task. But in this case, we're gonna script a video. And again, it's just copy and pasting and dragging in your documents. Very easy. And now it looks something like this. Now what we wanna do is connect all of the groups to the right places. So the inspiration to the chatbot above, and then my own content also to the chatbot above. And then we connect the same my content here down, and then the education also to this script one. So now everything is connected, and this is where the magic happens. I don't like writing out things. So what we actually can do is we can speak out or prompt to this chatbot, so we don't have to actually write anything. You are a content expert at generating viral content ideas. I need you to write and give me 30 content ideas. I want you to take inspiration from the group inspiration, and I want you to align these content ideas with my content. These are going to be short form Instagram reel ideas. And now it actually got everything in my prompt, and it's gonna write me 30 Instagram content ideas. And what's actually cool about this, it gives like educational content ideas. And here are some educational content ideas. Then we have growth strategy ideas, behind the scenes ideas, monetization ideas, trending format ideas, personal brand building ideas. And like that, here are some pretty good ideas, like how I film and edit a viral reel in under 60 minutes, the 5-minute content calendar that changed my business. That's a pretty interesting one. Yeah, this is a pretty good one, how to turn one content idea into 5 viral videos. So let's make that. So now if we go to the chatbot here below, we can do the same thing. We want to speak out the prompt and then give it the idea, and it's gonna make a very good video. You are a content expert at scripting viral reels. I need you to script 1 viral reel for my Instagram account. The idea is going to be about how to turn one content idea into 5 viral reels. I need you to take and learn what's in the education group, and script the video based on the viral scripting framework, take some viral hooks, and script that video based on the content in the educational group. That was a horrible prompt, but let's see what it actually gives me from that. Let's see, I already see the hook is quite long, but it understands like hook, build up value, main point, and then a call to action. So it actually understands the framework that I gave it. Imagine if you could have 5 viral reels from just one content idea. Most creators are burning out trying to come up with a new idea every single day. But here's the secret, you don't need to. So it's a pretty good. Let's give it some more context to actually make the hook even better. The hook is too long. I want you to take a hook from the 100 viral hooks. It needs to be direct and short and grab attention immediately. Already way better. What if I told you there's a simple way to turn one content idea into 5 reels? Let me show you using productivity tips as an example. Here are 5 different angles you can take with any topic you're passionate about. So as you can see, this is a pretty good video script right here. And like, it took me almost no time. And once you have everything set up, you can just do this how many times you want. And it just saves me so much time. And the scripts are great, the tool is very good, and yeah, I just love it. And that's essentially it. That's how you build a content machine in Poppy AI. And yeah, I use this daily for all of my content, my newsletters, landing pages, VSL scripts, client work, my own reels, my YouTube content, like everything. So all you gotta do is like get Poppy AI. I've left the link down below. It is an affiliate link, but I promise you, you will actually love it. And use the code Robin for $25 off. And with that being said, it's time to get back to work.